This is the North American run, and this is probably the one that is the most shocking to me. And let's go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. This is 15 hours out from the 0Z. This is at 9 a.m. right here. Between 9 and 12, it starts engulfing much of the Chicago area, including Cook County, Chicago proper, parts of DuPage County, Kankakee, all these areas, Northwest Indiana, LaPorte, Porter, Lake counties right here. And this just is really intense. We're looking at snowfall rates in some areas eclipsing 40 dBz. And considering this is going to be very wet and heavy snow, yeah, it's just going to be sheets of snow coming down in some of these areas right here.